Do you have a family history of depression or suicide? Are you carrying a stigmatizing and demoralizing mental health disease? Do you have anxiety or ADHD? If you have answered yes to any of the above questions, then the three messages on this video could literally change your life. My name is Lief Sosa, and at Pineapple Health, our first message for you is that you can be empowered by your genomics cognitive profile, as opposed to what many people think, which is that they are just doomed with low quality genes that they can do nothing about. Our second gene, our second message is that your genes can be turned on and off according to your environment. And if you control your environment, then you can also control your gene expression. Our third message is that with the functional medicine approach, we elicit your whole life story and we have your DNA information so that you can understand what's going on detail. And we can provide precise support for you to restore your brain function. Let me show you an example. When Mr. Perez gets frightened because he was chased by a lion in Africa, that is a pretty scary situation. So he mounts a stress response, and that produces an adrenaline discharge. So on his genomics reports, he actually has a decreased function of an enzyme called COMT, and this one is in charge of breaking down stress neurotransmitters. So when we break them down, then we get back again calm and able to kind of move on, right? So, because he breaks them down slowly, then the stress neurotransmitters linger and accumulate on his system, and Mr. Peters may have an ill or irritable mood, a persistent feeling of being anxious, and even trouble sleeping at night. So, this person, Mr. Peters, may need 2 to 3 days before his whole stress from being chased by a lion, has passed and he's back to himself again. The accumulation of stress hormones in your system is the root cause of anxiety, sleep disorders, and other types of brain dysfunction. Because everything is connected, this can also cause you to have like high blood pressure and increased cardiovascular risk. So you may need higher doses of certain supplements that may be toxic for someone without that specific genomic need that you may have. So if you find this information helpful, then book your appointment and we can work together on some new perspective to bring your health back to balance. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.